Now this brings up a question which Prabhupada raises in the Bhagavatam purport. Because how is it possible that Narada Muni, who is a young, attractive, handsome sage, he takes this young, beautiful lady, princess or queen, Kayadu, the queen of Hiranyakashipu, takes her to his hermitage. Because then Prabhupada quotes a verse in the purport, Matra swasha tu duhitrava naviviktasano bhavet indriyan balaban gramo vidvamsam apikarshati. That even a vidvam, even someone who is very learned, he becomes karshati, he becomes disturbed, he becomes agitated or attracted for illicit life if he sits on the same seat. Matra swashra duhitrava naviviktasano bhavet. If someone sits on the same asan or seat with his mother, with his sister, or his daughter, he can become agitated. Indriya balavan, that the senses are so powerful. He can become agitated even if he's a Chaturvedi, like we mentioned yesterday. Even if he's a Chaturvedi Brahmin or a Trivedi, a Vidvam, he can become agitated. So Prabhupada is saying, how is it, if this is the situation, how is it simply sitting on a seat with a lady who's your mother, you can become agitated? How can Narada Muni live in the same ashram alone with this young lady, the Queen Kayadu? And then Prabhupada explains it's because he is totally pure devotee. He is totally niskinchana, as we said, akinchana sangha, labdaya. He is at akinchana, he is completely beyond. And Prabhupada says also, no one can imitate Narada Muni. No one can imitate or try to imitate Narada Muni and take some beautiful girl into your ashram and live alone. So why Narada Muni had this lady Kayadu in his ashram who had Prahlad in her womb, he started instructing her in the Bhagavatam. He was teaching her Srimad Bhagavatam. And while he was teaching her, he was feeling in his mind and heart, he's saying, I'm praying and I'm wishing. My heartfelt wishes are that the child in this womb will become a great devotee. So that's the third way by which one gets, by kripa, by which one gets bhava bhakti. It's called harda bhav.